Welcome back. In the second chemistry tutorial, we teach you how to write down ions and oxidation numbers. For positive ions, you enter the power with compound exponent, and the positive charge value, followed by the plus symbol. Here are some examples. Hydrogen ion, H, open power with compound exponent, 1 plus, close power with compound exponent. The example has the oxidation number equal to +1. Copper ion 2, or bivalent, Cu, open power with compound exponent, 2 plus, close power with compound exponent. With oxidation number equal to +2. Iron 3, or trivalent, Fe, open power with compound exponent, 3 plus, close power with compound exponent. With oxidation number equal to +3. Note, even for electric charge equal to 1 plus, it is preferred to enter power with compound exponent. For negative ions, the way of writing is similar. Enter power with compound exponent, and the value of negative charge, followed by the minus symbol. Here are some examples. Hydroxide ion, or hydroxyl. OH, open power with compound exponent, 1, minus, close power with compound exponent. With an oxidation number of -1. Chloride ion. Cl, open power with compound exponent, 1, minus, close power with compound exponent. With oxidation number equal to -1. Oxide ion. O, open power with compound exponent, 2, minus, close power with compound exponent. With oxidation number equal to -2. Phosphate ion. PO, subscript 4, open power with compound exponent, 3, minus, close power with compound exponent. With oxidation number equal to -3. Note, even for electric charge equal to -1, it is preferred to enter power with compound exponent.